So here's what you can do with Khan Academy for math. And I have logged in as a student so you can see what it's like when you're going to log in for the first time. If you've already logged in, I'm pretty sure you can still get to a lot of the options I'm going to be showing you, so you haven't done any damage. In order to get logged in, you want to select student down here at the bottom. And then all the little apps that open up for students are here. And we're going to go ahead and select elementary because this app is in that file. And there it is. It's called Khan Academy. So select on that. It's going to take you to the login screen. I have already set up an account for you. And I've already assigned 3 different things you can do, which I'll show you. And this allows me to help keep track of what you're doing. Okay? I'll see everything that you've done. So you click the login button, and then you'll select continue with Google. And it's going to ask you to sign in. And I want to sign in as the student still. All right, now this is interesting. It's saying personalized Khan Academy, which is not what I thought you would see. But if you see this, go ahead and put 4th grade because you're in 4th grade. All right, don't do anything else. It's going to give you stuff that's not appropriate for you, stuff that's much harder. And then it says 4th grade math. We'll select 4th grade math. That's all I want you to do right now, unless you want to do computer programming. Okay. Now I had thought that I'd already predetermined these for you, but if I haven't, that's why I'm doing this. Go ahead and select those 2 things, okay? 4th grade math, computer programming, and that's all we want to do. Continue with 2 courses, okay? If you've already chose something else, then you can fix that too. I think most of you guys are 9 or 10. Let's go with 9 for now, okay? And say done, keep learning, okay? So once you get started here, you'll see you've got your 2 courses. If you want to do some computer programming just on your own to learn what that's like, check it out. I'm not sure how hard this will be, but you can find out. It could be a good challenge for you. You might enjoy it. I really enjoyed computer programming. So I've selected math, and it's going to start you off with place value. Okay? If this is easier for you, that's great. You would go ahead and hit start for whatever assignment it's given you, ready to practice. So you've got a choice here. If you let's go, it's going to practice. I think if I say go to lesson page, it's going to take me back to where I came from. Over here, you can see everything's organized. Oh no, this is the lesson itself. Okay. So the first question says, which number is shown by the place value block? So all you have to do is put the answer in. You've got 3 thousands here. So that would be 3,306, correct? There's no tens. And you're going to do 7 problems. It tells you if you got it right. I'll show you what happens if you get it wrong. Select next question. What number is shown with the place value blocks? 2. If you get it wrong, it says not quite. You can either get help by watching a video, or you can skip for now, or you can try again. You can go back up here and fix your answer. Hard to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1,802. I don't think you need to put commas in. Yeah, so don't worry about that. You do have to put decimals if you ever get to decimals, okay? So anyway, in the middle of this, if you want to, you can jump to a different place, okay? But it's going to require you to pass, see the little progress thing over here? You're not done with this yet. Okay, after that, it's just going to kind of walk you through. If you have any questions about it that the videos don't help you, that's where you can contact me via Class Dojo. Have your parents contact me via Class Dojo, and I'll get you some help. Okay? All right, that's it.